Before your video visit, it's important to ensure that your device is ready for a smooth experience. I'll walk you through a quick hardware test for your device. For your video visit, you'll need a mobile device or a computer with a camera and a microphone, a strong internet connection, and a myChart account. You can do this test either on the myChart web version or through the MemorialCare app. First, you'll log into myChart with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and click on the menu icon in the top left corner. And then you're going to go ahead and click on 24/7 Virtual Urgent Care. We will go through the first steps of starting a video visit without actually going through one. So first, we're going to go ahead and confirm our location that we're in California. Then we're going to select our reason for the visit. So we'll do urgent care video visit. And then from here, we can select test hardware. This is going to actually open up the myChart video visit browser. So from here, it's going to be checking your hardware. So it does take a moment. So what we want to see is green. So we want to make sure that the microphone is green, the camera is green, as well as the speaker. If for some reason you are not seeing green with all the icons, please make sure to restart your device, close and reopen myChart, and make sure that permissions are allowed for the camera and microphone. So just double check on all those settings. If you're still having issues, please reach out for further assistance. But since we are in the green, we'll go ahead and close this browser. From here, we're not going to go through with that video visit, so we can select this home icon, and then we can select leave page. By doing this hardware test ahead of time, it helps to avoid delays and makes your video visit less stressful. Once it's done, you'll be ready to connect to your provider. On the day of your video visit, you'll go ahead and log back into myChart, and on your home page under the health feed, you'll see your appointment. Simply join the video visit by clicking Join Visit.